This giant boat is about to enter the ocean. And they don't have cranes, they have people. In parts of the Philippines, some boats are still built on dry land, far from modern launch facilities. So when launch day arrives, the entire community shows up. Men, young and old, stand in the water, grab the ropes, and pull together one count at a time. Filipinos call this bayanihan, the tradition of helping one another as a community. And today, that spirit is powerful enough to move an entire ship.